The two behind me here, Carrie furnaces number 6 and 7, are the last two to open. They opened in 1907. Last major upgrade, 1936. They shut them down in 1978. Why? Because they were antiquated. These furnaces, which were declared National Historic Landmarks in 2006, are the last of their type. They're the last pre-World War II blast furnaces left in this country. And it's in furnaces such as these that America's 20th century became possible. They literally helped build the world. Air is superheated up to 1800 degrees inside of these vessels. Pushed into the blast furnace. It's that 1800 degree air that catches the coke and causes the coke to burn, which raises the temperature up inside the furnace to close to 3,000 degrees. In essence, what you're looking at is a man-made volcano. Ambient temperature in here is 400 degrees. The iron's coming out at roughly 2,800 degrees. This is a powerful place right here. This is a place where, for 70 years, people put everything they had on the line. And it can chew you up and spit you out, or you can push your way through it and be as tough as it is or tougher. We had to carve this place out of the wilderness. It had been left dormant for 22 years with no one doing work on the site. But it's not an abandoned site. It was dormant, but it was never without intention to be something more. It is a National Historic Landmark. People needed to understand that there's not, you can't replace this. It is not hyperbole to say that this Pittsburgh Steel built the world. That people will come, people want to see these places. That we need that sense of place and that sense of self to define who we are. These aren't scars on the landscape, but they're monuments.